light come, can't go on my bed enough. So what's next on the agenda? Like we keep my mind active.
Yeah, we can do something else. How about some cards?
You ready for me to take money upon poker?
Let's see what you got.
Alright. I'll be the dealer.
Where's your money?
Kenny Rogers says, don't keep your money at the table. I got it right here. Bet or check?
Check.
Check. Bet your 10.
Let's see it. Check.
Check your really check this up. Everything now.
Alright, let me see what it is. Well,
Time.
2 pairs. This is where I've been fun.
It's called bluffing.
Yeah, man.
True, me know you always do this. You always want to take home a little bit of money, so me not bring a light come. Sure, me done with poker now. What next? Drinking games. What we have on the agenda?
How about truth or dare?
Truth or dare? I'm not wrong with truth or dare, you know. You sure I can handle it?
It's just fun. Like, you sure you can manage it?
Alright. So you will go first then. Truth or dare?
Truth.
I know you don't go so soft, you know. But I still have one for you. Be honest with me. Which Jamaican celebrity right now, if they forward you, so you'd have put it on them?
Yeah.
Right now, who?
Papi. Probably Dexter too. One and few.
Mr. Dubs can get it anytime, yes? Poppy, alright, fine. My turn. Let's see what you got.
Truth or dare?
Dare. I'm gonna soft like him.
Okay. Dare. Alright. Me want you right now for 620x. Let me tell you which one. Jason.
Jason? The devil's pitney himself? May I do it still? Alright, do you have any suggestions about the message?
That's all you, sis.
Don't ask.
Okay. My turn.
Yes, your turn. And I'm not partial over there right now. It's time for really play the game. Are you ready? Truth or dare?
Alright, fine. It's fun, right? There. And hit me with your best shot.
Trust me, it's not my best, but you'll definitely remember it. Here goes. I want you to cheat on your boyfriend, Brad, and tell him.
Wow. Okay, but Brad is cool, so he'll understand. Who with? Or with?
Yeah. Alright. It's all fun, right? With your sexy neighbor.
George.
Mm-hmm.
I've been wanting to do it with George. It's gonna be fun. Alright.
Jason responded. And this is very interesting, but this I feel next time. We'll focus on your dear now.
Yeah. I got a dare to get to, so I'm gonna go. Hi, George.
Hello, who is this?
This is Shan, your neighbor.
Hello?
Hello, is this Miss Williams?
This is she.
I'm calling from the hospital.
He's had it. I just didn't have a reason to use it until now.
So, what's the reason you have to be using it now?
Pick me up at 12. Pick me up at 2.
At 2?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, see you then.
See you then. So we've been neighbors for a while now, a couple years, and I like what I see, but you never make a move yet. So me decide to make the first step.
The first step. I'm glad I made the first step so we can get to the second step. We can't make my move when I know say in a relationship, so how that part I go?
I am in a relationship, but I'm not look at next relationship. I'm just looking to have a good time.
You wanna have a good time? A good time I gonna get. Meanwhile, we wait on the food. I get to know each other. How you like the bus stop? amazing. So, when we can do this again?
Again? Remember, some have a man, you know. This is just a one-time thing. As a matter of fact, bring me home before my man reach. You're home early.
Boy, I have to left work early today to come see you.
Well, good, because I have something special for you. I cook some food, come and take a shower, and come join me.
Sure.
Oh, by the way, when you come out, I have something to talk to you about. Wait. Before anything, we have to talk. We have to tell us something. Kate and I had a bet. And it was for me to have sex with somebody else. And I did it.
What the fuck?
What do you mean, what the it was just fun. It was just fun and games, and it was all over. But I'm just letting you know that it happened. What do you mean it was just fun? It was Brad. So,
What?
guess what? I did it.
No, I didn't know you had it in you. So how was it?
It was fun, but Brad's better.
So what about the second part?
Of course I told him. He's a little bit upset about it, but I think he's trying to make it work. We'll see.
You're playing with fire. You're such a bad one, but okay.
But it's fun.
Right? I know, right? So much fun.
So, it's getting kind of late. Can you buy us dinner? Brad cut off all my cards. Cut off all my cash flow, basically. He said it's some kind of a punishment. But it'll just be like for a couple of weeks or so.
Okay. Let's go get dinner then.
Yay! You're great. You're good.
Sorry I took so long to come, but it's because it's so early. What are you doing here so early?
I could barely sleep last night. Brad cut off the electricity in the house, and there's no food. So I'm kind of stink right now. Oh, we can't wash. He's cut off the electricity for like a couple days now. So can I do some laundry? Take a shower?
What? So, if there's no electricity or water there, how is Brad staying there?
He has a new house, but it's okay. I'll move in soon. He's just punishing me right now.
Are you sure? This is kind of getting a bit serious. First no money, now no electricity. Are you sure everything
It's
is
okay. It's gonna be fine. It's not like it's the first time. So, let's go in.
Okay.
Oh! Hey! So you can believe the bread actually put me out? Yeah, I know, right? Saying, he can't make it work after all. He was trying, but he can't. I know, right? He can't take a joke. So I know you're out of town, but, did you leave the keys? Can I go over there? Alright. Alright. In that case, it's your turn. Truth or dare?
People seem to know my wine up inside so far.
Up in one line. Hey.
How you go candy?
Right here, sir. At the shop.
Your fans don't know which pan name right there, so.
I'm going at the shop.
You didn't even would have look upon them, boy.
Oh my God. You up on live for you?
Not up on live.
Seriously?
As in it a record, yeah. Where you go candy? Where you go?
Going at the mini mart. Come and show you mini mart.
Where you go mini mart go do?
Right here.
Where you go mini mart go do? Blood
I'm
clean.
going to get some chicken seasoning.
Yo.
I'm going to the mini mart.
Mini mart, guys, mini mart. So that we are doing another video. We are follow up and doing candy. Cause I know so I love candy, so fear thing of it different. Not that we are singular out, but we not always candy. We love candy, so we are follow up candy up and down today.
What's that, me throat? Grandma make me a choke. Grandma! Oh man.
So candy, are you a cook?
No.
So you usually cook all the while on there?
Yeah, me look how much time me cook. Then give me a break now, man. Krista going to cook, not me.
So yeah, I can cook.
Yes, I.
So differently do still like where they are shop so I interviewed until the shopkeeper. Forward, so you better pray to them or come.
Oh, I look like she did there.
So,
yeah?
Our general there. I deal with the shop business, Papa. Alright, Candy, I get to her because we not to interrupt her and make she do what she do. And then
I'm going to buy chicken seasoning. What kind of chicken seasoning have? Maggie? You have no Maggie? Yes, see them the man. Hurry up now. No, more put on the pot and the fire.
I Candy, they are rush shopkeeper, I don't understand.
I'm a friend then, you're lucky.
But I see him somebody in a movie.
No more.
Candy say like a rough in a movie, them I say rough in a real life.
Yes, me a bad girl, and you know bad like me. I joke. Me I love her, I'm not a fighter. Much money. One Pepsi please, and thank you. One Pepsi.
So how long you can now, Candy?
From the time when me start.
Oh, when I fire us and link up?
Yes.
But a long time I want to act because from the first time I see like you want even the African. Give me a piece of African accent.
Sure.
She have it, you know. She have it, you know.
So $250, $100 and $150. So just give me back $250, please.
So you acting a go on Candy. How you like it so far? How everything?
Listen to me now, me love beg. You can send some money for PayPal things. Cause we want one camera, we want mic, we need some other something and we need costumes. So big up on yourself. I don't know if Candy done love on a long time. You know. Listen to me now. Yes, the Candy now. I tell you straight from Richard Brown film. Me and Akeem a big bridging to you now. We a team worker. Big up on yourself and you can go up on Akeem film all the time.
Akeem film, yeah.
You don't know Akeem film?
What you mean?
You don't know Akeem film?
Of course, you have to know Akeem Flim.
Akeem Flim, me say, and then Richard Brown Flim.
Yeah.
Go up on it and like, subscribe, and share. Big up on yourself. If you don't see me on
So can they walk up? Here we go. We get to big up them. We
Chicken.
receive them and we love it. Right now, I'll hug you up for them. Come and hug up.
Sure. See this.
Alright, so then get to and hug up for you. So,
Alright.
curry chicken.
Love you, honey. We not do no curry tonight because some of them belly easy for run. But like all me now, my belly nothing and do it. Me name anything. And he not do me nothing. Me have iron belly.
Yeah, stuff.
Me have iron belly. He not do me nothing. Me teeth Richard Brown. $150 buy Pepsi. He not get it back. Then send me a shop. They must pay me. Then to out that, I mean, I work for nothing.
Zado star. So I'm gonna get one little taste of candy because we not finished yet. We not finished yet now because I remember night not come down all now. You understand me? And as me tell you now, I'm there, me I follow up with things. So definitely leave a like, guys, as you know here. Subscribe if you're not subscribed yet. Me don't know which character I want to see. I don't want to see the little girl who are coming in the movie when I go see next month. I'll catch her. But she there around the stove. As you know what I see in the little clip, she on fire there in the kitchen and things. So I saw it work down here, guys. The lifestyle, the living, the kind of person, like, you know, change. I get me at the same people, like, even though the success come and it's still a growing thing, I see them people, I see them kind of living, I see them kind of positive energy, positive environment. And it's nice, as you can see. And lockdown will come shortly, so you know, so them I get, yo, them people are shoot movie like 100 movie in a one day, like different scene, and then get to work and edit them. And as me tell them, I jump in on some of the edits, and guys, it is a whole lot. It make when me do coming like nonsense, you understand me? So yeah, have some other actors, I don't know, fun size, Short, Bieber, Shantai. We did a 20-minute video together, so she's going to come down, so in the acting process, so you know, my catch her at the behind the scenes. I don't see how the thing are going. So yeah man, stay tuned. Video not done yet, left a like on the video. Tell me who no want to see, who no want me ask them, who no want to find out if them have man, or if them like nobody on the set. Yeah, we have to do like an investigation thing too, you know what I mean? Find out if none of the actors them fall in love with them one another and them kind of something there. So yeah, all that tonight too. So there, she what? What she do? She are the movie star. You know big up your fans them. Me say if you not big up your fans them.
Hi everybody, love y'all.
Then I see that a while ago, you have to say it again. Huh? Then I see it again. I true, then I see it. Tell them what you do. Tell them what I go on.
May I season up, put up some meat actually. I seasoning about it.
So people, the actors, they know about this. They don't feel like I know pia thing, you know. Serious over here, so know what I'm do to, you know. So Curious King. So they know say food have to eat, things have to cook.
I like the chicken wing. I don't want no chicken breast.
You want food, my sister?
Yes.
How far you come tell me what you want?
Who don't want no food?
You don't want no food, get bad now today.
You don't want no food? Nobody don't want no food. Look here. I need the wing. Give me how much wing come from one chicken? 10?
4.
Give
A 4. You want it for them?
no, a 12 come from one chicken.
A
Want it 12 of them. You take your leg. Me not like leg. Give fire the breast. I love breast. That's why he always the chop.
That's why I always say do it.
Breast.
Always a chat about breast, not true?
Yes. Me always chat about breast.
What is scratch man?
Me not like breast. Breast too trashy. Me want it 10 wing.
So Mr. Brown,
Hey, what, chat to me.
floor is yours. Last day of March, make your people them know what's going on.
Well, yeah.
Food one.
Can it's a March of food month, which you should write still, but apart from that, we have a whole heap of projects that we have lined up or we are edit.
That's what I look on right as
Yeah,
well.
this a one and that's a one next one over there. So.
But I want one new computer and sit in my boss.
Well, me want one laptop, you know, this a one for around a long time, more than 6 years. It's a one I know, but you don't know where work we have. So I wouldn't mind if them sorry for it. No, I use the word sorry for. Wouldn't mind if they can buy one nice gaming laptop for edit video.
John no star, that would have tough. So General, new member to your team.
Yes.
I introduce yourself, make them know who they are, so.
Alright, So I'm say now. Full name Kevin Maduri, but you can call me Mega.
Man, so nervous a freak.
I abusive, see him there. You abusive man in an upcoming movie, you know, soon see it. So yeah. Why your role on the team in general?
So, I'm the main editor.
Yeah.
Right now, I don't know if I will play no scene. I don't know if I have the part of me the acting part. As the man say, I'm nervous, but I'm not nervous.
Yeah.
I have too much names, so I don't know right name to say, see me?
So how you feeling so far? How you feel? How environment and everything? How it feel?
Well, me used to environment, you know, the whole editing thing, and nothing new to me.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm just get used to the whole short movie thing. I normally used to the music video and event video, so not really nothing, I don't know new to me still.
My general, big up yourself.
Alright, listen.
Long journey ahead. So Mr. Bro, not more you want to tell me? Last day of March, whole heap of project.
Well, me just, well, I can't take time to talk to you, baby.
I like the movie.
So basically, the amount of projects that we have lined up, we are trying to edit and trying to get together, because this is the thing. We realize that content is king, and not just content is king, but we are trying to make sure that we have whole heap of content after content after content to make sure that we can upload even 2 movies a week. And one other thing, we're launching a brand new channel, so I gotta just make sure that at least every week we have 2 movies I got, one for Richard Brown Films, one for Jamaiwood. So
hold on, stop. Name my channel?
Jamaiwood.
Jamaiwood. How me spell that?
I think at Jammi.
Jammi. Double
OOD.
OOD. Listen.
Alright, man. So that's how the new different kind of movie them all go, or every kind of movie.
Every kind of movie. But the thing is, what we are trying to differentiate with Richard Brown Films in terms of Jamaiwood is that we want Jamaiwood to be a place where if you have filmmakers who don't have a platform and want to put out their movie, then can link and say, oh, Richard Brown, we have a film that we want to go out, but we don't have a platform. You can link, we put it on Jamaiwood, and in that sense, once it go out and it bring in revenue, then we can say, alright, you get this, we take that. So we want to make it be like a Hollywood, but a Jamaiwood.
Alright,
Jamaica.
so, one more thing before we go.
Jamaiwood.
Last day of March, today what, Wednesday or Thursday? Wednesday, tomorrow Thursday, Friday, lockdown. What are the plans then for the lockdown?
Alright, the plan is similar to the last lockdown what we have, is that we realized...
Hold on, I don't mean to stop you. But I got to do one repeat. Then,
after lockdown, like, alright, for example,
the amount of shooting and thing I talk about.
well, we are trying to do a little bit more than what we did the last time. The thing is, anything we pose a challenge for we try to use it to your advantage. So the lockdown come now, but we can't get from mobile and move from one place to the next. So guess what we do? Can everybody come one place and just put in the work? Because the work have it done. No matter how nobody want to take it, lockdown go on, we have bills to pay still, we have picnic to take care of, we have ourselves to take care of, plus we have an obligation to the fans to create. So we can't make that be a challenge, you see me? Yeah.
Alright, my boss, thank you. So, good evening, sir, right?
Yes, good evening.
Alright, good
Or you
evening.
could say good afternoon.
So people, Candy beat me for a long time to come do a video with her. So,
Right.
we are here doing a video now. I'm not tell her none of question them, I'm going to ask her. She does not know what we are going to do in this video. But I'm going to make her know and she's going to know right away, meaning say, like I want to just know, she just know. We want to know where Candy come from, the original Candy, not just the movie them. So, my first question is, how far about my should I take it now? Tell me about younger days. Tell me about high school days. Which high school are you starting?
Younger days,
Yeah man, tell me about high
like
school.
when we used to eat dumpling and butter and them.
High school!
So, you want your mommy school first or warm when they eat? Which one?
Which high school are you starting?
Rashi's high school.
Rushies?
Yes.
Me say be a bad people got Rushies.
Sometimes some we will bad enough man and one next time we go good.
So tell
But
me.
badness not pay still.
So
Better you stay good.
So tell me about Rushies school. What the experience like during that time?
Oh, a regular thing, regular class session. You go at like certain time. You go at that session. You have different teachers for every different subjects.
So you used to leave
different
France. You used to leave. Nigga used to live them time.
No. Montego Bay.
So you used to live Montego Bay.
Yes.
Left Montego Bay. Go Rushies.
Yeah, cause I'm a Montego now. You feel like?
Oh, so grew up with mommy and daddy.
I don't.
John was star. One more person forward in that. So.
I don't grow up with my
We had
mom
to go on
and
the
my
two of them
dad.
one time. So the legendary Popeye. We don't know two of them from Richard Brown films. So no, hold on, come right us in, man.
Oh.
John was star. Where you drink?
Handicap, you know.
Here we going. Popeye, which high school you used to attend?
Little London.
Little London. So when you used to live on the girl when you got Little London High School?
Born and grew up.
London or England or London or Jamaica?
Me say you see candy. You see
Yeah, but we have London and Jamaica too, and we have London and England. And which one of them you did go to school? Me want to know.
Me try help when you get to know them outside of the movies, guys. But see, right, it rough. So you used to attend Little London. You used to attend Rushies. So what was
Say
school
Russies
like?
and don't say
Rushies.
Rushies.
What was school like for you? You had the anxiety to have one whole heap of friends and trouble you?
No. Listen, nobody not trouble me at school.
Are you trouble people?
Me not trouble them, but you see when me not have no lunch, my friend them used to have to give me lunch.
Oh, so I did that kind of something or something?
Yeah, because sometimes
well, and you spend out the money?
Remember, say me not grow with no father. But
Okay.
sometime me used to stay with my mother. Most of my time I was with my grand aunt. But you know, sometimes if me do nothing in the yard, they don't go and give you fear for go to school, they don't give you nothing to eat. But you know, that's the first time people kind of have like a wicked dish in them and like a good dish. But me forgive her still.
So you like acting for any time?
Long time before me did in my mother home, she did conceive with me as an actor.
I can't
As an actress, a matter of fact.
Alright, we should come back over to you. Popeye, talk to me now. How was school for you, high school?
Well, it was good.
You're not
me
trouble
did
you or
No, but me did have to make a choice.
Did you have girlfriend in high school?
You're not asking about primary?
Yeah.
Did you have girlfriend in high school?
I did have, you don't know the name, me did have 6 of them.
And you're not asking about primary?
No, you did have man in high school?
No, me couldn't do it. My
When-
grand aunt would have killed me with leak.
When you have your first boyfriend? Or man?
My first, me can't remember. A long time.
No, first time not forget so. So
Yeah.
your first, I don't want to ask you nothing about when you lose virginity, you know. when, tell me about the first boyfriend. You have to remember, I can't.
Me can't remember. Me did want to do it and me never want to do it, but me still do it. And me never want to do it and me shouldn't do it, but me do it still.
So apart from acting though, Candy, may I skip go? So we are moved from high school now, come back in our present
Yes,
life.
when
So,
time me used to do in grade 1, before me go high school, a primary me attack, me used to pick up the dirty cheese street them and the dirty chewing gum them. Cause they say me grandaunt wicked in and give me no lunch money that time they on my bed.
I feel like Candy never ever yet come out of character yet.
No, you know, he make me pick up the dirty cheese
Candy
street.
is her character
Listen, man. You see when the dirty chewing gum them, you see pitting them with them parents when have it, and then eat the chewing gum them and dash it down, and it on the road. You know once when the sun hot and it melty, or it look like I say sugar in there and it's sweet. So me go pick up here and eat it with the rock stone them in there and then it fresh.
When
Never
when
sweet,
this,
no
a
sugar.
liar tell me.
No,
not
God
believe
up at heaven, me I call your name God, because you know say I chew me attack. And me pick up dirty dumpling at school, because sometimes they don't give me no lunch money. I chew.
Rastafari. So we are get some in on the characters them here from Richard Brown
Yes.
film. So what I call it? What they call them kind of upbringing again? Modest upbringing or humble beginnings. So both characters don't understand. Hold on, Papa. I feel like a born with gold spoon in your mouth. Tell me about
Actually, him did
how
rich
did
and he
how
did
did
poor.
you did always have lunch money and tell them something down there at school?
Well, me did always have,
Tell them that.
yeah, me did always have, but me have to make a choice in a grade 9.
Can I try that?
It's either work or go to school, so I just work.
So when I decide to want to do acting, you know, or a long time?
From,
As a matter of fact, from when you are rich, them are brethren.
long time, before YouTube, before
Before you're born, just say before you're born.
we born.
See them, man, pay attention to us.
I'm talk to my audience.
Right.
I know Rich them when they start the movie, but then the time I'm there behind the scene I watch, and I say, yo, I'm not going to it. But then I say, you know, I want to be actor, so I go. And see there, look at me there now.
That's that. So, apart from acting, what else you do? We know what you do already.
Me no fire them long time. Fry up a bakery and sell
me
movie
say-
and whatever something.
From when you know?
Being bread ground up a bakery and so all about.
Oh,
Me all
see.
about.
So, apart from
Long
acting,
time.
Papa I do baking. Best
I do
best
bake.
cocoa bread them in a niggles. Yo, right now they're better than juicy beef, cocoa bread them, you know.
Exactly.
I swear to you, I'm not even make this stuff. Which part the bakery located?
Sheffield.
Which part of
Right
Sheffield?
side
Right
of the
at
church.
7-day Adventist. So you can't go over there and tip you out of focus. That's it. But anyhow, when I go and check out the cocoa bread them, so apart from acting, Mr. Papa is hard at work every day. Candy, you're an entrepreneur.
Yes, long
Because
time.
you have a shop for yourself.
Not say that because right
Well-
now, me I look help and want somebody to help me.
Can I help you, man?
Me want help and want build something bigger in life to make can all help some people who not
Oh,
have it.
I don't want to feel like it's a joke thing. Not because you see 100,000 views on the movie, them I don't feel like say, oh, millions are coming. And that's how you go. People there and them do this. They do this because they are passionate about it, and of course they want the money, but you know, whole heap. So when me hear Candy I say she wants some help and all. Well,
Yes.
man, build up a shop or what?
I need help so I can do a little business for myself.
So you not have a shop?
No, that shop they broke down.
No, yeah, Candy, stop playing with me.
Me not play with you.
Why shop broke
When
down?
time me did, you don't know when my shop used to start. You can't see my shop pop down, so I need
So
to tell
pop
you.
downstairs at there?
You pop down stage that, so you must know we did stay from the beginning.
Yeah.
There stuff alright.
Yeah,
So,
yeah, yeah.
well, no, if people might hear and them want to lend some assistance with that concern.
Well, I would
we can do that.
appreciate it. Thank you very much. All who support me, thank you.
So, Papa, differently though, up by bakery there. How you like it though? How is it up there? Outside of the acting, I know you're passionate about. Up at the bakery, how is it? Tell me about that.
Really good. I tell them, it's worth it because I can bake, I can do Italian
We
cooking,
can bake too, you know.
You can do Italian
I
cooking.
show
I can
about.
paint.
You can paint.
I
Like bakery
can
I
do
talk about
plumbing.
though. Bakery I talk about though.
Oh, bakery.
So you tell me about the bakery. So that's something you enjoy as well, eh?
I love that more than anything else.
More than the acting too?
Yeah. Baking is my,
Me love acting.
No.
My acting, me we act all in my sleep when me I
No.
sleep, me act too.
I respect acting, but baking is like my ball in a hit.
But I know cocoa
Me a
brother.
sleep
So
and
you
a
bake
act.
cake and them something
I
like that?
bake fruit cake, I bake marble cake, I bake banana bread, I bake pudding, I bake gizzard, I bake anything you
I
can
wonder if
get.
you never know all of them something, that's true. You
I
never
bake,
know.
I
You
bake the
never know.
best pizza.
So you do pizza too?
Yeah, better than, me no want to call it, me no want to sue me.
Better than who? Pizza
But you
Hut?
don't know that's...
Yes, don't call anyone name.
No, that one name.
Caesar?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright. Me never buy them. Me never taste no pizza where you do.
No.
What do you want pizza?
That bake you carry out here. Can they taste it already?
How it
I want
taste?
little piece of did give me.
How it taste? How it taste? How it
The
taste?
piece when you give me, I want little piece. And you should have given me more. You can't give me them the little piece of pizza there and it tastes so good. You're too old to order.
Alright, so I don't know what else for questions, so I feel like the audience them have a better understanding on the personality now. What high school was like, because you know so that's one integral part of your personality. High school, that's how when you start there around people who will leap and some real interaction start going. So you know so that part of your life is integral when it comes on to your personality. So you say how humble beginnings, chewing gum, pangong and all them kind
Yes,
of
me
stuff
pick up all
there.
the dirty cheese chips them. Me have to eat them.
Papa, I did have
when
gold
it's
spoon in
small,
my mouth.
and
No,
it,
I
they go
wasn't have
infant
gold
school
spoon
like
in
you
my
know in
mouth.
a
But
grade
that-
one. Yeah, me pick up him man.
What
That's
are
me
that you
hungry.
say?
No, I never have gold spoon. I just have family that support me to school. But one thing though, my father,
Alright people, big up on yourself and thanks for tuning in again. So see it there.
We done talk already?
You have more things that you want to say?
Then of course we look like we don't talk. We can't have talk if we talk can't too much.
Alright, go see.
Akeem,
I
talk.
got it.
Listen to me now. Talk cannot too much. Talk can't too much. None talk. Cause when you stop talk, somebody else a talk. Talk can't too much.
Alright, we want to hear what you have to say
Mhm.
now.
Listen to me now. I wouldn't mind you guys put out some donation to Akeem. He will give it to us because we needed to do some important stuff.
Candy, no
What?
candy. Me not receive
They
no
not,
money.
they not have me number. They know
No.
about feel something.
Hold on,
fan
where
fan.
Instagram? Where Instagram?
Me not have none. Me not have no phone.
Yo.
Me all want one phone. You can buy one phone for me, please.
Oh yeah, me forgot to candy
Sure.
have one. But
If me did have a phone, me get enough help long time, but I don't have a phone. So I need you guys to help me to buy a phone so I can have my own channel. I want to be so nice, good up fans for me. I want to know say
just
Candy.
contact be things on the channel, that's true.
Oh, you mean Candy? You don't know say Candy.
So
a
if you
phone
no
is
want to
favorite.
see Candy start a YouTube channel and contact the things them for, make she know in the comments. Tell her in the comments, you see me?
Yes.
So she say she want a phone, would I
Yes.
buy her one, but me can't afford it. My phone screen bust up right now. No, left it fall, we are street fall.
I make nice and make
Nah,
it
man, I want to hear them. So, that's all. Anything else?
You don't talk already? How much
Papa,
you done?
ready? My time? Papa.
Well, thanks for the interview, guys, and hope you learn a lesson. No matter what in life, don't listen what people say. Work towards it.
Anyway, it is my pleasure meeting you. This is Candy, actress from Richard Brown Flint. And all of us are teams. We work together. Excuse out of the... Okay, you know no manners, you know.
Hey,
Sure.
pick up on yourself. Look more.
Bless up on yourself. I know me always love you, know. I love you guys so much. I mean, no someone love me too, you know, but me love you no more. Mwah. I'm out. I will make a press here and we
That's how we live.
Alright, go and do the thing now. Come here.
Yeah, what go on there now? See?
Do you have money other day?
Who did that money?
When you know you're gonna help me buy no phone.
But me tell us I soon get a piece of food, man. Me tell us I soon get a piece of food.
Tell me when you're ready, Aki.
You ready,
man?
Tarkat?
Freestyle.
Oh, okay.
Freestyle. Where's your papa? Come in now. So I go on now, even.
Akim, ask the questions. See we interviewer over there, so.
Me done.
You're not
Not
chatting.
interview. This is.
Oh. This is what?
Team site.
No, team side, man.
Oh.
Akim, something. You're all tired and brighty.
Team side.
So I'm gonna ask you now.
We just are going freestyle.
Just talk
Alton, they don't know
something.
you have a chat in the Alton, they don't know nothing, they have a chat.
That
They
means
know
you know
what
you
going
can't
on
ask
with
one
them.
question. Nothing in
They know what going with me.
Yeah.
You no dumb.
Oh, people. This is not candy. Look at my phone, people. It's not good, right? It's not good. Look at it. It can't. Right, watch out, candy. I think it's a phone, a full phone, and for me. Look on this. No. If me
See my phone. Then after me no phone. I even somebody will give me one phone and give me this. I mean nobody want it.
all right. So
I
see,
read that do without.
see, but it's true because people can call me. Me just have to just have this and go on normal. People me need a phone.
And you're going like that a phone too. You all you want one phone to move, man.
Me tell you, I put this on my ears and it just a brr, 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 brr. And my ears it just a press up by itself when I go on with itself. So people, remember to subscribe to that channel as a command pan the man channel. Just subscribe and no matter with the foolishness. Subscribe. Cause that's how when time you subscribe, people can see me more.
Right.
And you can see yourself
So
more.
Alton, come chat about that, cause I trick people them. Come. No, you're not really tricking, you know, you understand, but you're not going in personality, you understand?
Maybe out of
I'm entertain.
more
No, you can't come in, you can't come in.
Alton,
So Alton.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm Mr. Richard Brown in our family, right?
Yeah, my cousin.
Alright, good. So, give me a little history. So, must get about any and
Oh.
all these things.
Want history?
Yeah, give one history
I'm
where you
telling
do
you
you
now.
come from.
Alright. Remember I'm doing forward from the left high school.
Which high school? Like?
Froome High School. I used to go Froome Technical in the house. Big up on yourself, you see me? So, from left high school, there, so, in mother, which is my aunt, Auntie Debbie, big up yourself.
Rest in
Richard,
peace, rest in peace,
in
Aunt.
peace. Richard and Auntie Debbie. And them can go a wedding now, from start go a wedding and go on normal. Pretty girl, come here. You can pause. You know.
Floor is yours, have the floor,
You
people.
can pause. Say your name for the camera though. Come here. Come here. Alright, so she's shy. So yeah,
Watching. You can say when you little you used to
I
crazy.
used to go to Froome Technical High School. Richard Brown and Diana Campbell. They're the one who made me into a photographer, videographer. Yeah. So from I left high school, so I start go a wedding, go a hotel, and them sitting there. So I know so we in our business long time. But official professionally start shoot movie. If you look up on one, I want interview with Fire Ass, you know. When the first movie he do named King Kush. King Kush, that was his first movie with Fire Ass. We interviewed him about 8 or 9 years ago. He's up on YouTube same way. On different channel.
That was not the first movie.
What you mean?
King Kush was not the first movie.
Which movie was the first movie?
One by One and Carelessness.
Alright, what are they in time? Another time period then we do that.
But
that
King Kush,
interview.
you know him them
Talk
time.
talk about that. You're going like a better looking at Richard through your animal cousin. Talk to the people then.
No man, Richard and me and me.
And somewhere I mean, I know you're
Isn't
nice.
it so far where I come from. but
Richard cuter than you.
I just
You have candy. We don't want a bad mind, man. Think. Hear me, I say. Are the girls, man, this. Anybody want to
I
take
one
it?
side of me move.
Watch out, my guy. Me not nice.
Man, him a look.
Look nobody.
Man alert.
So, yeah, from your start, shoot professionally and the acting and thing on YouTube and all of that.
me the camera shy. If you notice, I know me kind of the talking the camera, you know. If you see it for true. A couple months ago.
You afraid?
No, me shy man, overall. I'm a DJ, you know, and it's so sad. So sad, me so
I
shy.
have some camera we buy people. Me not afraid of them.
So, Mr. Garden, how your life changed since you started acting or since the acting start successful? Oh, make sure you tell them to have on YouTube channel too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, alright. Me tell you how this whole acting start. When you start seeing me now frequently.
No, but before that, you used to act, not true?
Yeah, man, you see in a movie, man. I one by one, me a police long time in a movie, I beat up boy long time, most years ago. You know, they tell them they did Lily and fine, so.
Tell them.
Palm Beach, I beat up boy as police and a long time. But I know me really start the acting thing professionally. So I say, since here, February, more than time there. Anytime I'm really done it often, don't it? Yeah. Time I'm done it often. But a long time. Yeah, sorry about that, people. He's just one of our fans here in Jamaican City. So, you see me? I'm just saying well.
Now talk about acting long time and beat up. From school, you say you used to go.
He forgot everything so quick.
And that talk about the acting on Palm Beach and beat up boy as police and as recent now. Some of the answers say how your life changed.
Oh, yeah. So, the reason why I'm there so still do acting now is just got you a little relationship problem.
Hold on, them me blouse and skirt, it passa me like it. Hey, what you say? What you say a while ago? Talk again. Me never asked him nothing now. Him said, come, say it again, my boss.
So,
what you say?
yeah.
Hold on, what you say? Repeat what you say a while ago.
But you want like a relationship problem, so.
Okay, so you have a broken heart and everything?
Pass through that stage already, man.
Okay.
Single, I know, isn't me?
Yes,
Ladies.
You know what I want to ask me if you're single, man. I tell him say I have a girlfriend.
No, man. Which girlfriend? You give me girlfriend?
Me think that me think say that.
No, brother.
Oh, so you're single now?
Yeah.
So what kind of woman you like, me general?
I like women.
Oh, just every woman?
Just women.
So,
I love
hold on
women.
now, I feel like a trouble that, you know. Because hold on, I tell you and then you can probably want to rebut you can come in. Hold on now. If you like women, see, when you get to a woman, the amount of competition where she have to deal with all this, you know, because like, every woman
I feel love every woman.
You see me? So your type not too specific. Alright, go on, tell me some more. So your relationship thing.
So yeah. That go on, relationship pass and gone, so me have time now, so me kind of dedicate myself now to the whole shooting and acting, as you can see. And I have 3 kids. So ladies, if you know me, I have 3 kids. I don't want candy in my video now. I have 3 kids, ladies. AJ, Alora, and Mia. You see me? And they're not, I don't candy their mother.
All of them is from the same mother?
No.
3 different mother?
Yes. I was a bad boy.
When I grow up, I want to be like you.
No, when I was...
No, I don't want to be like
I
you.
was a bad boy. I was a
man.
bad boy. No, I'm good. I'm Christian now.
But you have
Alright, we have 3 minutes left on the video.
3 minutes? Alright. Go over to Paradise Nation, subscribe.
Yeah.
If you know what I said me, I'm going to myself over there. Go over there, subscribe. Me and Candy, we have a video come up still now. We were intense. We never see Candy kissing our video yet.
Kiss her.
See it.
Kiss her.
No,
Kiss her.
Oh,
Kiss her.
No, that Jesus. Don't stop it. No,
Kiss her.
God, I can't manage it no more. Why? Almighty
That's
Father
as
God.
far as it is go.
I came my coat.
Sorry.
That's
Alright, so yeah, remember to subscribe to this channel, Akeem Lawrence, that's how your badness come down. We are one family here in Jamaican City. We have a lot of video production with the company here, but it's one family at the end of the day. Alright, I kind of have a flow now, so Candy.
Jesus Christ. God,
Take
help
flow,
me.
girl.
Take you,
Take
take
flow,
you.
take
No.
Alright, so
no.
people see it there. Wanna get 1, 2, 3 character from Richard Brown films
If
to
you
get closer to them personality. You see?
If you want to know more about me,
So
go over my page.
Paradise Nation, it name?
Yeah,
Alright,
entertainment. Or go over official Alton God.
I want to
Instagram.
tell me if you don't want to see Candy over here, so create a YouTube channel. And what kind of content you don't want to see her put on her channel, Zin? Later.
Me want to see Candy in a one silk dress.
I'm out. Love you guys.
Me want to see Candy in a one silk dress. Talk truth. You know what I'm saying? Take off the jeans and talk truth.
Move, man. Single but me.
You know, me first put her in our video. Though. Me first put her in our video.
Ganja for life. Morning, we're not going with our afternoon rather. Now waste no time. So in this video, we are going river. We're going to the river with Richard Brown and team. All of the actors them and all. I don't know why they are going to the river. Oh, I hear Curious say something about them are going to shoot movies, so we can probably get some behind the scenes. So, yep, we are going to the river. I take you with me. Leave a like on the video. Long time subscribers. If it's your first time over here, definitely leave a like. And check out previous content so you can understand what happens over here. You'll be entertained. So, first time over here, subscribe. Long time subscribers, please be reminded to like the video. And yeah, how we go river. Find out where Richard Brown and Curious and the whole team are going to fall. So, I know I said Benta River I did say first, but with the Roaring River, I might go Benta just the same because I'm here Curious I say I'm not really into the crowd. See him over that side there. So Brown, come on go on out of so they talk to the people and pick and fast.
Yeah, Roaring River. I'm trying to get together with their drive and one magazine. So with the Roaring River, for those who don't know where they want place, then Roaring River, it is one of those special places in Westman where you can go and swim, can enjoy the sightseeing, you see me? So we are shoot for a movie, so like the Roaring River piece side, you see it?
So we are here with normal boss, you know, Alton that.
One normal.
Ready?
One normal.
Jamaica, man. One normal. Where you guys from? Where you guys from?
Outside of Boston, Massachusetts.
Boston, Massachusetts.
Worcester.
Big up yourself, man. Big up yourself, man. No,
Get it,
sense.
you know?
You know, there with Jamaica movie star Richard Brown. Jamaica Entertainment. We shoot movies here. Right? Actors. You can check it out on YouTube.
What is the name?
Richard Brown film.
Curious there, Richie wanna just say a while ago. Antoinette, who is co-producer, and my friend Natasha. So we'll look around the place. Hi Natasha.
Hi.
So Candy then that travel with you as well, but them then are on a different vehicle. Look like them probably lost. You know, we don't know what going on. So that's how we are doing right now. We are waiting for Candy them. So in the meantime, we just look for people that jump off a bridge and all that. Alright, next stop, Benta, or behind the scenes.
Laundromat. Laundromat. That's how we do it in Jamaica.
Why you never care that?
Yo, fire I say can bad man, can close. Can bad man close and to wash.
Why you care years?
So how many is the car?
We have a check out.
No, who back to the car? Man just say cash on sheet. Can bad man and can sheet. And can bad man and can sheet. Man say can close. We don't want can close. What? Yeah. Check out the bunch and become a ready grab one. You don't want to get a bunch. Come.
Yo, back then they come tell you something about pregnant. Now there is one box of pregnant for the Kenya. Come in. We're not close there for what? Richie has some clothes in our back, in back. Look some more clothes. Popeye, looking at your trunk. Popeye, looking at your trunk. You see? I told time ago.
But make you not go jump off and let people alone.
Can you come get yourself to get out of town this time now?
So, Mr. Brown, what are they saying now?
You want to go and see hotel Candy see a river and go. To carry river attire. Candy insist say you want to go in the water in a long pants, jeans pants. Come!
So, yeah guys, we're still the Rowan River. As you can see the crew there over that side. I'm going to try to get ready to shoot the scenes. I don't know how they're going to deal with the sounds from the river. So I realize the clips that are close to the river and have whole heap on it. So I don't know how they're going to deal with that. But they're over there preparing for the scene. When them start shoot, I go back over there, get some clips so I can see everything. But right now what I'm going is some attire business. I'm going to try to get props together. I don't know, something about clothes and what I look for, somebody call me like so I kind of lose track of myself. So yeah, when them start shoot again, we get the video. So yeah.
You come here and jump candy, you start jumping candy. Daddy, how you see me from there, so? How you see me from there, so? A different sit me and laugh over.
Wash, bathe, and go back home. That bad time one, so not to bathe too.
That's the point really well, man. And you want to go further, go Jones, go Jones. We have fish.
Yeah, what?
I'm a swimmer.
Okay. Yeah, fish. Swim around.
I'm telling you.
I love how my shirt look fine, you see. Now watch that, a cologne. That no frowns in a bad color, cologne. Stain! Stain!
Stop telling me video. Let's go walk coming like your catch water.
does that from?
I'm sure for water they give me a punch.
I'm telling you from.
Eh? You don't got none. Where from?
Ready?
Nabo. Yo! Get to up Nabo from. Come. Nabo from.
Candy, your belly is the bad news. You get 2 pin here, candy, you're going to get up to it. A young girl. I don't know if you're going to a young girl. I have the woman.
Candy, find one spot and stuff.
You want some weed? You want weed? You want weed? Weed. Some more. Can you take off the pants? Can you have pants too? Let me give you a massive show.
Yeah, the switch around then for you. Where are you top? Alton gone for it. He said gone for it.
So what's next for the water?
I'll take off the clothes and take off the one of them. You don't want to take off. Take off the clothes then.
You don't put on the shorts enough, Candy. Gone deep up. Net and herring. See? Who does that? Who start net and make it done? That's not why it's ready to go around the river.
Put on what they chain that's up on the river. Put on the chain everything. Pan the river kind of one then last. Strip off everything. Which shot? Let me have a good girl. You see a big belly, a chair breed make a big belly. If anyone want big belly, you shouldn't breed. Backside you have 2 daughters. Nothing wrong with the belly if you have stretch mark on the girl. Good. Represent.
Lift up.
Represent the motherhood and not clear me.
Listen, Candy.
Represent the motherhood and not spoil me.
Alright now.
Candy. Put an Alton shot.
Alton shot,
I see him put them in the shots.
it's not your front.
Alright, Candy, go ahead.
This.
Put on it then, because dirty you know.
What's that I'm going to get? You put on.
Alright, go ahead. What got bent to go swim? What got bent to go swim, man? I can't drain the energy to blood, so by the time it's done, you can.
No, Candy get one man because the time best shoe and now he get one man. Rough.
Left me alone.
Eh?
No, take off them. Can't do that way there.
First thing, you have to be doing.
No! What you do? We not to know we're going to shoot them because you're confused. You have to too long to listen them. So by the time we done discuss what we do, we have to remember what we're going to do.
Candy, it's simple. This one, you take off your chain, your earring, put on one shorts, real Jamaican style. Come with your bath pan, ready to come to one. You can't come in a long chain, earring, pretty, what you call it, when you have the name?
Pumbas. Pumbas.
Pretty, this well go out. Who do that? Take a party out up on the river.
Alright, go. Let's take them out. Remember, we start shooting tonight, so we need to take them out. Alright.
To keep the concept, we are trying to spoil the day, but we not make a spoil. Come tell us what we're going to do now. Come on. Nah, man, yes, come on, because it's not to start, because you have pushed it to the limit. You are trying to mash up the movie scene. And we don't spend my money. Come now, man. But okay, where him come put tonight and done? What? We're going to do it now.
Thank you.
And it's stone them and juke me. It's stone them and juke that now.
Don't suppose I'm coming to tell me.
Let me see how you go to now. Up and get, you don't come. Good job. One put one dust and one dust and two. So 3 girls run together. You don't come. Take off the jeans and put them dust up. But then dip on the water. And everything done the body wash and gone. What do they clean? What do they wash first then? You come from this. But here this one come down, the body gone. They stain everything gone. You go to the stain man. Because you know what? But you know, I'm going to come and dip on the water. You might not take the pants and we're on the water with the panty alone. Alter the day. Sometimes man say you got to take them out. Put it from up there, you please come and go please here. Close to them, close to them. Good on. Well, white, give me the white shirt there. Pass the white shirt there, give me for in a washing. Troy. What? Nobody else. Come down, watch it. Hold on, funny. But you have to have some more everybody. You can't just eat them. They will catch them. But you have to hold on, funny, and see the table. Pull up that piece.
If you watch out, you can't go.
Yeah, saying nothing want to come to the water. What you do?
Huh? When I say coming in the water? Are you for water? Not the water. What good girl, you mean? What up a giant, my girl? What up a giant? No, what up a giant, man? Because, you know? Then you just miss what I mean, road. Come to good girl. Just wash your out, man. Now, fuck that. I'm going to come to but I enjoy myself. I'm back to the ribbon. Dog, touch it down. What we want? No, go yet. Don't use. Come here. No, yeah. No, hold on. We're going to get to the river. Wow! Woogie! Yeah! You just see that beard and back your fist. Come right. Hey! Yes, dog! Me! Master Bane! No, me love me 3 hours.
Ready?
Come, take off a chance from one, put the chance there, put the knife off.
So yeah, people, that has been it. Well, by the time I reach this point of the video, it's already edited. So my hope is that I edited the entire video so you guys were somewhat entertained. But me personally here, because I've been here so many times, yeah, you know, but shooting and filming and having the camera is always fun for me. But yeah, hope I could have entertained, you know, somewhat, and hope the whole thing was entertaining. But big up on yourself, thanks for tuning in, like the video, subscribe if you're your first time over here, and Laura will see you now very, very soon.
Anyway, I catch him in auntie. Kill me or kill him, you know.
No, you can't kill me, son.
You ask him, say, hold on, if you have no cousin.
Oh, ask
Let
him
me
about
go.
that
No,
again.
that way, let me listen.
But me ask him that already.
Right, you have to say if I come,
Tell us
if I
something
come
already.
for killing me,
Yeah,
your
somebody
cousin.
say yeah.
So yeah, I come for killing yes. So I never know say me and my
Me and my
cousin.
cousin, yeah.
But him not bed with me woman.
Yeah, alright.
Alright now, Tamo.
Yeah, I kill me come to kill him. He never know say me and my cousin. But in my bed with my woman.
Okay.
Yeah. So then you can wait and say me never wait and say before, but it sound like it said to him say. Listen. Yeah, my cousin. I forgive him. I don't feel him fall. And him father.
No, that's
Yeah.
listen. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
You know what he said?
Yeah, something similar to that.
Alright, action.
By the... No, we talk
What?
that something by the...
Most of them, they still just in there. So
Me and that shit was alright, man. He change.
No, him change, but me I thought you can listen.
No, different thing. I want to make sure say exactly, precisely what they must say. Alright, respond to him, I say, no, can do.
Cut out the foolishness. You go kill your cousin for one woman. And so much woman out there in the world where you can get. When you kill your cousin, you gone to prison. That make no sense? No. Listen to me, man. You need to calm down. And your cousin, remember. And stop the foolishness now. Anyway, where your grandmother? When last you see him?
If I'm me and she come ask me, my grandmother, listen to auntie man, I cut you, try to cut me, I come ask my grandmother.
Look, when the shot them what you just catch?
Yeah.
Me not catch one shot with I 1 or 2 shot with him in 9 pants.
I'm not coming to come for this one, I just don't wait for you go for edit in a match up. So better me shoot you while I'm there, so. So you can't tell him, auntie, you want to go ask him about grandmother. What you tell him about grandmother, say?
Yeah?
What you tell him about grandmother?
I mean, tell us a long time I go to country, you know.
So listen,
I
auntie,
mean,
I'm going to
a long time I go to country, but I feel they can't come cut that, you know.
You don't cut down the argument.
Who Pete there?
Exactly.
Yeah.
No man, they give my name this in there.
Pete.
All my name that man.
Peter, I feel like much here.
Ready?
Pete, how much me here?
Alright, so we tell him and action.
I hear me, auntie. A long time I go to country still, you know. But you feel like you want to cut me off and when me come here, boy, you know, where Pete there, that me come here, boy. Come catch him today, my woman, right now, auntie. You want to get Pete this.
Don't move.
Why?
Right this up. Right this up.
So you're way to the boy. So what way you say that last?
Come in now.
Are you ready for DJ? Alright, me tell you, hold on. Action.
Auntie, me want to hear what you say, you know. Me I hear boy say that me can't even hear what you say, auntie. Because I hear what I know. Chip no fly far from black. So him and his father same thing. Chip no fly far from black. He must get 2 times me black.
No bother with it.
Auntie, anytime I hold him like there, yeah. A black thunder.
No bother with it. I mean, I know you.
Can't hear what I say. I hear what I
Come on. Then you know that
Of course, chicken not far from that.
That means
Chicken far from black.
Yeah.
You don't know nothing about that.
I mean the same thing when I do the same thing. You pick me a
So not you might not understand that.
One chick bag. Well, black, no black come in.
Yeah. Chip no fly far from black, man.
Me dey think about it, we see it, watch him, man. So we go cut out some of it.
You know, remember saying this feeling about it.
Come back now, come back. When him a go, when him a walk away. Who want to mess with me now?
Watch him, how he
I hold him cigarette. Papa, I'm not even drunk, you know. Come in never see us.
Come on,
Oh, how your romance cigarette?
Let me say that for me.
Anytime you
When I walk with no candy. When you walk back, you have to put there and say, no, say it, not say it like that, direct it to him, can I talk about it? Yes. I think somebody's to go back.
Yeah. I mean, just I walk away and say, yo, woman, watch your mouth now.
No, I auntie, don't.
No! I want to shoot a auntie.
When you walk away, you're walking to walk, you're not for walk. Alright, so just pretend like you're walking. No talking. No, don't say no. No talking! And action.
Stay about your woman. Like a one woman day in the world. Your little friend Friday. Gladys, let me tell you something. That the girl they way you they worry up over and they kill up yourself over like she no Queen of England. That girl is a long time whore. A long time her name spread all over the place. You think a little man can deal with that the girl and they talk about it? Them a talk about it. Her name they all over the place. So go on like you want big up woman when not even want you. She did well and know say your cousin a dirty girl and you is a fool. But you can't chat about woman like a no decent woman. Could you too? The girl smarter than you.
Come here, no. Come here. Come right to some city focus.
No, eh?
Brownie, step inside. Come right to some city focus.
Right, sir?
Yeah. So when Candy start talking and you reach right there, you tap and turn round and say, auntie, I told you I'm an auntie still, you know. Yeah. You know, get piece of this and do.
Yeah.
Yo, me there with my cousin, woman, and me there with my cousin. What a show. You want one more?
Yeah, man, you're a real family, man. Come on,
One more.
You want one more cousin me there with?
Yeah, one more.
A real family, ram. Alright, just step in. No talking. No nice. No nice. Yeah, step in. No nice. Go back in. Candy, as soon as you walk out and reach right, let's get start. And as you reach step out ready. Candy, yeah, tuck in your waist, man.
Alright.
So, and action. No man, walk off first. When I reach, come on here.
Alright. Alright. Now walk off with us.
No, don't tuck in.
Yeah.
Walk off in here and when you reach right, as you start, tuck in.
Yeah.
So Candy, as you reach right, so, and I walk, you talk. And as you reach right, so, you pop. And turn around and look for your auntie.
Yeah.
When Candy don't talk, you say, auntie. You see, if me never call you auntie, you don't see what I'm to you in idea. And then you walk off.
Yeah.
And action. Candy.
Come here, Candy. Yeah,
Candy, you wait till you reach so far, but at least ready to step out and go. And action, no nice. Action.
well.
Both your woman. Who you two? That the girl they when they walk all about and I sleep with much man, they can't chat about woman.
No talking.
Auntie.
Hold on, just look on her a little bit. Look on her for around 3 seconds. And then you start talking. Ready now?
Auntie.
That the girl
Don't talk, Candy, don't talk.
What was it?
Don't talk.
Oh, him.
Just look on Candy for a couple seconds so we can hold a shutter before, like
Yeah.
3 seconds or so. And look on it like shut talk. Alright, Candy, just start a little bit and then stop. Start a little bit.
Both your woman. A woman them there, we are sleep all about with 1 million man, you must be mad.
Auntie. You see if me and you never family and if you call the auntie, now make you get one out of this stuff.
Back to the center, I shall reach.
Stop it, Candy.
Hey, shut up.
Go on. Hey, Candy, I have to say that Candy tell like a papa, you know. She have to have the last words. Alright, walk on out, Tom. Alright, good. Alton, no. Alton.
Oh shit.
What?
When you come in, when you
What time, man? Alright, Tom, go up on the front. We can always beat man and edit when you're going.
Yeah.
Oh, Richie. I did say.
We know. Come, Alton.
Alton must say.
Yeah, man, we can do it, man. Come, Alton.
What now?
Alton. Come right just man. Come right just Alton. See how you do it. Come right just. Alright, Alton.
You know, you sure don't want to catch me singing yes and what, brother?
No, when me have priest, I show them the right, so when me have things.
Yo, sorry there, bad boy.
Are you a come from right there, so? I just see you. You pull back. Walk around this and come right round and come round. Understand? I didn't walk come over here.
Yo.
Me girl. Stand up over here. Just 1 second here. Come on, right now. I mean, you know I'm going to go for it for video too. Where's the only tongue you want to reach?
It's so good.
You're a big man, but you're going with a bag of things.
Then you know, see how we do. Because I don't want to get all down with me, you know, so I don't want to increase in my face, so I have to go on like I'm a picnic.
You have to just have an exercise most of the time. Tongue, I say, whole age, you know.
I use them, I move them, the water out of the tongue.
All the time, you have a video of me. We continue shot, I want to keep the camera rolling, the man tap on something to go in this up. Why are you serious? And him a video of me. Alright, ready now?
Comfy boy, you see me? Cause the boy come over my yard.
I'm going right this behind the gate, behind the gate.
No man, if I say I'm interested in come out and gone.
Yeah, somebody expect if you come right this hide behind this.
No man,
this man. Hide behind this one. Hide behind this one, no. Hide, just screech across us and hide behind this one. And turn up. Till when him left now and come, we catch up coming and see.
You didn't mean to see me? Okay.
You after when him left, ready now. Wait, hold on. Let's start that conversation. I'm trying to make you go back. Look at it.
And come back.
No, just start. Find one part of that conversation where you tell him about what happened. Make it all time fast.
Yeah.
Alright, no talking.
So, auntie, early this morning, me get up and go see you. And my woman never tell me about she got
Alton, I didn't start talking, I want people to come. Because I don't want you to take too long to walk across and see. Let me like where you go with the sea. No, here, it's good you talk about the sea, but tell him how hard you have to work out at sea. I risk your life.
Yeah.
So, yeah, go this way. Alright, and action.
Auntie, I early me go see this morning, which you know, fishing, auntie. You see me? Alright now, I work hard at sea, auntie. If you take care of that daughter, you know, and if you see my own cousin gone in the eye, beg. Auntie.
Alright, good, don't move. Alton, come out and go behind the camera. Beautiful, right? Yeah, right now. Very good, don't move. I do like a Yankee 1 million shot, you know. Yo, I'm get that right. That's what I want to get one shot from.
Right, that's it.
No, behind me.
Yeah.
Tell me, what was I saying?
Right.
No, one like, pretend like you talk.
No, look
Pretend like you talk.
Yeah.
You want to talk to Candy?
Auntie, early this morning, me go see you.
Alright, good. Alright, so Alton, I go shoot on scene from right just so now. I start man, just say something and walk out beside the acting, then you come round. No, hold on. I just so, aha. Tell man, go back at that spot, I just want to shoot it. Go back at it.
Yeah, right.
Alright. So this is the scene now. When I start man walking, as I walk out that scene, then you have to move. I'm not even happy to see Talman. Talman, come on that scene complete. Come on that scene complete, I don't need it.
Very hot.
Alright, right now, Alton. Go me. No, go back. I want to have them. What do you mean, Aki? Focus. I already know all the time. Come on, focus. Come on, right? Alright, go back and come on. Jesus Christ, Bazin come say, Jesus Christ, Pete. You come like me sit you and kill me 4 times. Yeah.
Feel like a time for me end my BTS then, Mr. Brown. So just tell you what I go on to the scene first and so I can close the BTS. Thank you there. Hold on man, let Mr. Brown talk a little bit now with any BTS. Yes, I tell you what I go on to do like a shooter. Hold on. Yeah.
Alright, so we ask me say again.
What I go on with the movie, I may ask you what I go on BTS, me just show the scene, what the movie name again.
Okay. This movie, you know, in Jamaica we have this saying, we're not going to use the word good soup, family run business.
Yeah.
So this movie, we are bringing across that
a good soup sitting, yeah.
A family run business.
Yeah.
So we are embodied because there's a lot of saying in Jamaica, but a lot of time it's not embodied in movies. So that we are doing.
But I want to have story can done, Jamaican story can done.
Yeah.
Alright, big up yourself and thanks.
And if anybody out there have none of the old time reading book, make you get one. You know the old time primary school reading book here?
Or Pam and Sam and all that, you know?
I'm 5 minutes. One scene left, last scene left. Cut no, Aki.